welcome in Oldgensplaat. Lady Liselot is still moored over here on the quay. I used to say quay, but then somebody wrote me it is quay. So Lady Liselot is moored on the quay. Oh, and this is the end of the engine update because I still have one engine. And you know, the mechanics, they do their best. But I am not the only client they have, lucky for them. And their suppliers, they are not the only client. Well, etc, etc. You know the drill. So, yeah, it all started on the 1st of August. And at the moment, whilst recording, we are talking about the 12th of December. So, I was scrolling through my footage the other day on my hard disk and I found some footage that I want to share with you. Be prepared, because from winter coat we go to summer t-shirt. Wanna join? Come on then. Electricity, one of the most important items in our life. I have solar panels and a generator and of course an alternator on board. But here we have a plant creating power. A power plant. On starboard, one of the entrances of the Biesbos. But we will continue anyway, because the Biesbos is an enormous large area. Perhaps I can show you, no, not perhaps, I can show you on the chart plotter. We are here at the moment, and this is just a part of the region called Biesbos. So here is the river. We will we do drive at the moment, and we will go to this anchor spot. We will be there, let's say within half an hour, 40 minutes. And there are two rivers. You can see that if I move it a little bit, I have to steer also. Two rivers. So this is the Amer. We are on the Amer right now, and this is the Nieuwe Merwede. And then between this area, this is all called the Biesbos. Very, very nice area, and I will try to grab as much pictures as possible. In the village we have on the port side, Drimmelen, there is a huge, large rental fleet of sloops. And then anybody who wants to rent such a boat can do so. Because they do not drive fast, and it is only a couple of, let's say, 6-7 meters. So you go to the rental guy, you say, here is my 200 euros. I have no idea if that is the cost, but I guess so. I want to explore the Biesbos. And then they say, here you go. Speed, 1300 RPM. 10 kilometers per hour. It's okay, it's okay. There is a little drizzle. Let's look outside. Do I see any drizzle in the water? I see some drizzle on the windows. The depth at the moment is 5 meters, and I would say I'm approximately 30-40 meters from the breakwater. Sure, perhaps. I will keep the buoy on port side because it is deep enough for me. And in the videos I shot during the first week of March in 2022, you saw me grabbing some footage from container barges with lifting wheelhouses, and also on the Amer. Of course, the system is always the same. If they carry containers, then it depends. The height of the wheelhouse depends on the levels of containers they have. We are at the crossing that I showed you before, and I will start my port camera facing forward because I want to add additional camera angle for my footage. We will go starboard within 300 meters. And then we head for an anchorage somewhere. This area is called Noordergat van de Vissen. Don't try to pronounce it. It is not necessary. And it is deep enough also for the commercial barges to moor over here. There are official mooring piles for the commercial barges. I heard a beep. It was from my handheld camera. It beeped like, I'm off, I'm off, I'm off. Yep. Still the red buoy on port side, since there is still 5 meters of depth, despite the fact that we have the breakwater, well, at I think 30 meters next to us. I have zoomed in on my rear camera because we have a towboat over there. Is it a tugboat? A towboat. Well, it's a combination of a smaller boat towing another. And that is my PTZ position 6 on my rear camera. Most of the time I use position 1 on my rear camera, and that is just on a wide angle facing backwards. Number 2 is just an angle towards my swim platform, and number 6 is completely zoomed in as if it is a extra mirror. On the starboard camera you can see the end of the breakwater, so I will go starboard. And in this area the maximum speed is 9 kilometers per hour, and when you go deeper and deeper and deeper into the Biesbos, then the maximum speed is 6 kilometers. You are not allowed to speed over here, and it is not allowed to jet skis. Be gentle, they say. So we will decrease our speed. And now I have to pay attention for the sandbanks. As you can see, the commercial barges also enjoy their holidays. I think. And the crane on the wheelhouse is to crane the car from and on the boat. Most of the time those cranes can lift approximately 1500 to 2000 kilos. So you have to pay attention to that buying the car.
De transport afvarend op de Amer. En dadelijk sturen we uit de nieuwe Merwede weer op.
Okay, I will slow down even more. Well, since driving on two engines gives me too much speed for this area, I have switched off the starboard engine and I will continue on port. Alright, alright, alright. Imitating an actor. Alright, alright, alright. Poor imitation. I know. Okay, this area is a tidal area. And from what I have read and experienced last year when I was here, it's the tide is approximately 30-40 centimeters of difference. And it actually does not matter much where I drop anchor, despite not in the official what's the word? It's not a buoyed canal, it's a canal, it's a fairway. Well, yeah, that's a nice word, a fairway. It says that I am now in the 3 meter area. So my chart plotter tells me it's 3 meters and my depth sounder also tells me it's 3 meters. And then soon it will become approximately 1 meter. It goes to 2.5 now. Okay, I have to take in account that if I keep this spot for the next coming 1-2 days, that it is possible that the boat will turn 160 degrees. So this is my anchor spot as far as, ooh, it is 2 meters all of a sudden. Yep. There is a lot of sand behind me. Okay. So I have to take in account that the moment that the boat shifts, yeah, it is there where I backed up, reversed. I see a lot of sand now. Where is that small dinghy? Ah, over there. Okay. They are gone already. Alright, this seems okay to me, so now I will attach my snubber. So the anchor chain does not pull on the winch, but it pulls on the snubber. And now the anchor chain is connected with the snubber, and the strength is on the rope and not on the chain and not on the winch. Nice. I use these two and I bind them around my stick, because on high winds the stick will be blown away because of the anchor ball, and now it does not. Like this. Okie doke then. Well, this is a nice spot. Yeah, and then from summer t-shirt back to winter coat. In the next coming weeks I will publish some more videos of that trip, but that is for another video. So for now, thank you very much for joining me aboard Lady Liselot. If you liked the video, please give me this so important thumbs up so that the guys from YouTube know that you like the content that I produce on this channel, Sailing Motor Vessel Lady Liselot. And the moment that I have more information on Lady Liselot, I will let you know on my social media accounts, but also of course over here on YouTube. For now, have a nice day and see you in the next video. Alright then, bye bye.